Hello guys, what's up? So for this video, gagawa tayo ng comparison ulit ng dalawang headlight, pero this time is yung isa is halogen, then yung isa is LED. So yung una nating itatry is yung halogen, which is this one, Philips. So itatry natin is parehas Philips na brand, pero unahin muna natin tong halogen ipakita. Itong City Vision Moto, mukha brand new to, mukha lang hindi brand yung gawa no sa packaging. Okay. Then next one is itong Philips LED na Ultinon, depende kung ano ba pagkakabasa dyan. Essential Moto. So ito. Okay, so itatry natin yan sa ating Yamaha YTX 125. So both low tsaka high beam yan. Okay, so simulan na natin.